This is Tara McGinnis, and this is Theatrical Makeup Design Interactive. Once you've finished cleaning off your own face, the next most important thing, in fact, to my mind, the more important thing, is that you clean your brushes. If I had limited time and I had a choice between getting all the makeup off my face and getting it off my brushes would get fixed first, unfortunately. Reason being that your face can usually handle makeup, even for long periods of time, but your brushes are not going to be happy with it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take a little bit of like face cream or Noxzema or whatever and put it onto a towel. A little spooge of face cream. And you take your brush and you work that cream into the hairs of the brush and get most of the pigment off of the brush before you ever put soap and water on your brush. You will want to use soap and water after the fact, but to get cream-based makeup out of your brush, you need to do this before you do the soap and water. The soap and water by themselves won't do it. So your brushes are always going to be kind of nasty and will eventually die a horrible death if you don't do this before you go and put them under soap and water.